Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Discover Bank. Review my usage experience. Discover Bank offers a range of financial services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and personal loans. They target a broad audience, from students and young professionals to families and retirees, with a focus on providing competitive rates and rewards programs. Key features often include cashback rewards, no annual fees on certain cards, and online banking tools. Their website, discover.com, provides details on all their products and services. Discover emphasizes user-friendly online banking and mobile apps, along with transparent pricing structures. They often highlight their cashback reward system and various card perks as key differentiators compared to other banks. They promote security features and 24/7 customer support. Availability for specific products and services depends on individual eligibility and location, which can be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Discover Bank. I initially signed up for a Discover It cashback credit card because of the rotating 5% cashback categories. The application process was straightforward and completely online. I received my card within a week and quickly activated it through their website. The online banking portal is incredibly intuitive. Navigating between accounts, checking transactions, and paying bills is a breeze. I especially appreciate the clear presentation of my cashback earnings and the easy redemption process. The mobile app is equally well designed, allowing me to manage my account on the go. I found their transaction processing to be quick and reliable, and I haven't experienced any technical issues. I did have a question about a foreign transaction fee once, and their customer support responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how easily I could track my spending and budget within the app. The standout feature for me was definitely the cashback system. I earned a surprising amount back in the first year. One minor drawback I've noticed is the limited number of physical branch locations, but since I primarily bank online, this hasn't been a major issue. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Discover Bank and would recommend their services, particularly their cashback credit card, to anyone looking for a user-friendly and rewarding banking experience. That's my overview of Discover Bank. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.